Alright, what's really good, everybody? Today I got a quick video for you guys. Just showing you guys how to remove the Miata soft top. The one on my vehicle, it's pretty messed up. I cracked it like a month ago, so now I'm finally going to replace it. See, my back window is all dirty and busted up, so I'm getting a fairly new soft top on here. It's lightly used, but yeah, it's going to be a lot better. So stick around, I'm going to show you how to remove it. Alright, so now we're in the car. The first thing you want to do is take off this plastic piece. It's held on with these bolts. They're 10mm bolts. I think it's two of them. There's one there, and there's one back here on the seat belt mount thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull those off real quick. It was already kind of loose because I had the hard top on not too long ago. So there's that one. Alright guys, so I popped off the plastic piece and then I removed it and I took off this little piece of trim, and now you're going to see the bolts that hold in the top. There's three of them there, and that holds it holds the frame of the soft top to the frame of the car. So yeah, I'm just going to take that off, and then I'll be back with you guys on the next step. Take off the carpet, and then I'm going to be removing all these bolts here that hold the rain rail. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Just thought I'd hang out with you guys, show you a quick video. So now I just repeated the same steps over here on the passenger side. Took off that plastic cover and took out the three bolts. Now I could get started on the rain rail bolts. They go all the way across the back here, and I believe those are 10mm or 12, one of those. I'm gonna double check right now and I'll let you guys know. Now the carpet is pulled out and I'm ready to get my 10mm and just go all the way around and remove all the rain rail bolts. Alright guys, so I'm about halfway done. I just want to show you a quick update. I found it's easier to use this with the screwdriver attachment. It's easier to get the right leverage on it. Otherwise it's hard to like crank. Yeah, but it's almost all the way off. I just got a couple more bolts there to do, and like one more on this side. So yeah, after I do this, it should be ready to pop off. Alright, so now everything's replaced. This is all ready to come out. I pulled out the rain rail. It just comes out of this groove right here. So you just follow that all the way around, lift it up. See, that's ready to pull up, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. So that's pretty much it. The top is off. I took off this rain rail and popped it off. And I went ahead and I decided to clean my drains while I have the top completely off. And I'm kind of vacuuming out in here. I'll probably wipe it up, all this dirt and stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of dust just from all the years. This hole, it was completely plugged with mud, but I pushed it all down with an old car antenna. And I'm just vacuuming it up. This one was it was clogged as well. I poked it with this first. I just put it straight down, let all the dirt knock through, and then I ran through the skinny car antenna, and it knocked down some of the dirt. Yeah, so now my drains will be nice and clean too, and I'm gonna keep cleaning this up a little bit, and then on the next one I'll show you guys how to put the top back in place. So thanks guys. Stay up. Have a good one. Gang.